Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell. This is my week 2 video review for Java 1 term 1401. This week I kept it pretty simple. I did a movie ratings app using and what I will be doing in the future is using the Rotten Tomatoes API and pulling in the critic and audience rating. So let me just kind of dive right into it. I have 3 pre-populated movies that I'm using the JSON data as of right now. Next week I will turn these radio buttons. I just have a text field where you type in the particular movie you want the rating for. Then once you hit get movie, it'll be pulling the actual JSON data from the Rotten Tomatoes API. But this week I have White House Down, Fast and Furious 6, and The Family. And I'm going to just select the movie, get the family movie rating. And I have the actual Rotten Tomato here, which is an image view I did. This movie gets a Rotten Tomato. Have the title, The Family, year released, 2013. The critic score, 29%, and the audience score, 43%. And then as you change the movie, you have this movie gets a certified fresh tomato because the score is a lot more. It's 80%. It's a lot greater than The Family. And then if you have like a okay score, a good score versus this great score by Fast and Furious, then you'll get just the regular fresh tomato. So you have the difference: the certified fresh, the rotten, and then just the regular fresh tomato. Alright, let me kind of go through some code. The get rating is my actual, when I'm pulling my JSON data, I'm creating the object, and I'm pulling actually my enum data into the JSON, and I'm reading it, I'm building it here, then I'm reading it here, sending it back over to my main activity. Let me see if I can find it. Right here, I'm getting it right here. On the on-click event when I hit the submit button. And so I have my enum here, and I just populated 3 movies right here. And I got the title, the year, the critic score, and the audience score. And one thing I did have an issue with is I didn't know you have to, when you're dealing with the resources or the values stored over here, which I'm trying to pull my strings, I didn't know you have to have it within the activity. So I had an issue trying to do it over into my class, my custom class here. So I had to kind of play with that and just kind of just move it over to my main activity and pull it like that. So I did spent a couple hours trying to figure that out, and that was a big bug I had. But other than that, the videos were very thorough. I was able to get everything done and everything tackled. Like I say, I hope my whole scope is to be able to give people both the critics and the audience reviews, because I think if you get both, you can find a good medium. Sometimes the critics are extra harsh, and sometimes the audience can be a little too easygoing with certain actors or actresses, big name actors, actresses that could possibly make them rated a little bit higher than it is. So you can kind of choose which rating you want to go by with a particular app like this, and kind of figure out if that's the movie you want to go spend money to buy or rent. So yeah, everything went well. I really don't need much more clarification this week. Just excited to see what we do next week. Hope y'all enjoyed as much as I have. You have a great day.